Hi everybody, welcome back to the next training session of the SHL Technical Support Team. Today's content we want to introduce to everyone about cleaning oil. The presentation includes the following sections. First, about the definition, classification of cleaning oil. The second is the application of cleaning oil. The third is the type of cleaning oil. The fourth is the cleaning methods. First, we learn about the definition, classification of cleaning oil. Cleaning oil is defined as follows. Metal cleaning is to remove various contaminants, as oil, wax, dust, fingerprint, remaining on the surface of wash via a chemical or physical mechanism. It is also called cleaning or degreasing. In terms of classification, cleaning oil are classified into two types called water solubility and water insoluble. For the water soluble type can be divided into water type and general type. For water type, divided into electroanalysis water and tap water. For the general type, it is alkaline or neutral or acidic. As for the water insoluble type, it is divided into two types, combustibility and uncombustible. As for the combustibility type, it has properties that are hydrocarbons, alcohols or silicon type. As for the uncombustible type, it has types such as chlorine type, fluorine type. Followed by components of the cleaning oil. Cleaning oil is usually made from hydrocarbons. It is used as an alternative cleaning agent for the toxicity of chlorine-based detergents and environmental pollution problems. The hydrocarbon type cleaning is largely classified into aromatic type, naphthenic type, paraffinic type, olefin type. The basic physical properties and characteristics are determined by the distillation temperature, and the distillation range is determined according to the type and grade of the base oil. For washability is superior in order of aromatic type, naphthenic type, paraffinic type. Olefin systems are not used more often due to oxidation, discoloration, or bad smell due to double bonds. Next is the characteristics of detergent by hydrocarbon. Here is a table listing hydrocarbons and their properties. First, we see that N-paraffin, its color is light, low solubility and low toxicity, especially high lubricity. For isoparaffin, the color is light, the solubility is medium, low toxicity, and medium lubricity. For naphthenic, medium color, medium solubility, medium toxicity, low lubricity. And finally, the aromatic has a dark color, high solubility, high toxicity, low lubricity. Followed by Part 2. Application of cleaning oil. Cleaning oil generally have three main applications. First is intermediate cleaning in mechanical production. Second is cleaning before heat treatment and surface coating. Third is cleaning before heat treatment and surface coating. First, we go to learn about the first application is intermediate cleaning in mechanical production. Contamination that develops during mechanical manufacturing is usually removed from the workpiece prior to the dimensional control process. This is important. People often use detergents to do this job. The second application is cleaning before heat treatment and surface coating. Metal cleaning is a must in metal surface treatment. When the metal surface is clean, it is suitable for heat treatment and ensures perfect bonding of the coating. However, differences can be found between the requirements in the individual heat treatment and coating processes. Like the glazing process is particularly affected by traces of organic contamination due to the high temperatures used here. Decomposition will lead to faulty glaze results. Even minor contamination will have a negative effect on the appearance of the platings and affect the bonding of electrically produced layers. Cleaning metal parts before painting is often combined with applying a thin layer of passive film, as phosphate layer, to provide a base coat for corrosion protection and reliable adhesion reliability of paint. The third application is cleaning before heat treatment and surface coating. Machines and plants contaminated during operation must be cleaned regularly. This applies not only specifically to materials and all types of production machinery, but also to tanks and refineries. Next, we go to find out the third part is type of cleaning oil. Usually classified into two types, that is water-based cleaning oil and petroleum cleaning oil. First, let's learn about water-based cleaning oil. It is concentrated to some extent similar to cutting fluids are miscible with water and include mineral oils, synthetic hydrocarbons, and other organic liquids along with emulsifiers and anti-corrosive compounds. They are mostly used at a concentration of 2% in water. Suitable water phase coolants with low foaming properties are also commonly used for this purpose. The residual film protects the ferrous material against corrosion. Second, we go to find out what kind of petroleum cleaning oil. Petroleum cleaning oil mainly include chloro and chlorofluorohydrocarbons, hydrocarbons and solvent cleaners. The first are chloro and chlorofluorohydrocarbons. In recent years, it has become more difficult to use organic solvents, especially halogenated hydrocarbons. Next, for hydrocarbons and solvent cleaners. Isoparaffins are the most commonly used hydrocarbons for metal cleaning. Advantages are relatively low cost and easy disposal. However, when using these substances, the risk of fire and explosion must be taken into account. Since solvent cleaners are a product group of their own, they are used mainly in cleaning heavily contaminated or oiled repair parts, such as engines, gear systems and main machinery. These products are mainly composed of hydrocarbons with special additives. They are flammable. Next, we go to learn about cleaning methods. First, the immersion cleaning method. This is an old cleaning method. The cleaning agents used here dissolve oil and grease easily and disperse dirt particles very well. Soaking tanks are particularly recommended for small parts or flat parts with large surface areas that can be immersed in a bath with relatively thick layers. They are also suitable when many processes are carried out in an immersion bath, for example electroplating treatment. After the soaking method, the parts are cleaned in a high-temperature bath solution for a relatively long treatment time. Often, a single stage will not suffice and multi-stage cleaning methods are applied appropriate to the scope of the task. Above are some illustrative images of soaking tanks and soaking materials. We see, the soaking tank here is quite large and the solution used is quite a lot. Next, the ultrasonic cleaning method. In the cleaning solution, ultrasonic waves are propagated in the longitudinal direction as longitudinal waves. Due to the sharp pressure change, the solution creates many small low-pressure bubbles, which immediately collapse to release energy. In the transparent solution, one can observe after a few seconds how dirt particles move away from the surface. This cleaning method is based on the pressure created by the deflated bubbles, which can exceed 1000 bars locally. Audio frequencies from 20 kHz to 40 kHz, as well as operating temperatures from 50 to 70 degrees Celsius will lead to the best results. In general, the minimum cleaning time should not exceed 2 minutes. This is a picture of an ultrasonic cleaning tank. We see that the cross-section of the tank is not very large. The solution is filled with the ultrasonic wave machine. Next, we go to learn the spraying method. This modern cleaning method is based on one or more coordinated stages. The intensive mechanical effect of the jets has the advantage that compared to an immersion bath, the curing time is significantly shorter and the operating temperature can often be reduced to 40 to 70 degrees Celsius. A much lower amount of cleaning solution is required than in a soaking tank. This means less chemical use, less heating energy consumption, and reduced costs for wastewater treatment and disposal. Spray cleaning equipment has a complex structure. Therefore, they stand out with a number of important advantages with a self-contained structure. Above is the entire content of cleaning oil. Thank you everyone for listening. If you have any questions or concerns, people can contact the SHL technical support team at the email address below. Goodbye and see you again.